Good evening, and welcome to Daybreak Warrior's Navajo Word of the Day. Today's Navajo Word of the Day is going to be one that I heard for the first time tonight on KTNN, and it's plastic. To say it in Navajo, you say Tho do Bináká Nílíní, Tho do Bináká Nílíní, which basically means water doesn't flow through it. It's not a common word, it's not one that I've ever heard before, so I just thought it'd be a little fun to share. To use it in a sentence, you would say something like, Di adlání, Tho do Bináká Nílíní Ályaa, which means, this cup is made out of plastic. Now tonight is probably going to be the last night that I do a complex Navajo word. A lot of the words that I've been sharing recently are words where you have to have a more fuller understanding of the Navajo language. You have to know how to correctly use it in a sentence. You have to correctly know how to change it if you're talking about past tense, present tense, future tense. That being said, I think it'll be easier if I give simpler Navajo words of the day. Words like wait, hold on a minute, turn on the light, turn off the light. Simple words that you can use in everyday conversation. Nice little fillers, and rather than using words that require a more complex understanding of the Navajo language. And I think it'll be more of a benefit to people who live far away from the reservation who are trying to learn the Navajo language. I know it's fun to learn more advanced terms, but again, it's better to learn words that you can use immediately, words that you can use every day. So let me know what you think about that, but I think that's what I'm going to do with the Navajo words of the day. Let me know what you think, send me comments on that, and we'll see how it goes. So that is today's Navajo word of the day, plastic. Tho do Bináká Nílíní. Tho do Bináká Nílíní.